Welcome back to another one of my Android development tutorials. Just kind of going over the SDK and everything in it, and the tools, and how the process of developing an app works. And in this video I'm going to be going over the actual setting up an emulated Android OS, which is kind of the beautiful thing about this, is that with the developer tools, it's free, and you can also emulate, or basically a virtual machine of a Android device. So I forgot. Alright, right here's this little button, and it shows like a little phone with the little droid right there. It's right next to the SDK manager, and it's called the Android Virtual Device Manager. So we click that up. Here's the virtual devices I have, and the definitions. These are all the different kinds I can set up right here that I have available. So to set one up, just go to new. We'll make this YouTube droid, and then the device, we'll just pick the Nexus 7. The target, I usually keep it right here on Android 4.2. CPU, ARM is what I usually keep it on. Front camera, you really don't need these two enabled unless you're going to be doing app development with the camera. Here you can set the RAM. Your RAM is probably defaulted differently. I boosted up the RAM so that way it would usually boot up a little bit quicker. The basically internal storage, and then the SD card, like if a user has a SD card plugged in to their phone. For emulation options, I usually go ahead and put used host GPU, which is a graphical processing unit. Click OK, so we have it right there, YouTube, and then we can click the start button and launch, and starting the YouTube droid. And this process usually takes a couple minutes, takes a little bit. So I'm going to pause the video here and wait till it finishes, and then I will come back and kind of show the little droid emulation.